So this is Alex Shu coming at you with another episode. This episode I want to introduce you, I want to teach you how to make nigiri. It's like a Japanese rice ball thing, okay? And it's just a simple snack. But before I talk about how to make nigiri, and I'll teach you how to make the mold too. I'll teach you how to make a mold, okay, for the nigiri. It's very simple. All you need is a tuna can and a lid. But anyway, before I talk about that, I want to tell you my name's Alex Shu. I'm the guy who invented physical mortality rings. These are rings that you put on your small fingers during sleep. You wear them, you don't age anymore. You become physically immortal. For example, I'm already 53. If you look at my belly, look, see? I don't have any belly fat, right? Pretty skinny, right? Oh, sorry. And you can go to my website, livemuchlonger.com, okay? And you can see lots of testimonials from Amazon customers. Most of them give me 4-star, 5 stars. Hey, if you want to stay physically young forever, if you want to look like me when you're 53, livemuchlonger.com. Livemuchlonger.com. Link is at bottom of this video. Recently, I saw a news report. Okay, some lady was trying to introduce the Japanese nigiri in 7-Eleven into American 7-Eleven. Okay, it's just rice ball, you know, with seaweed covering with seaweed. And I'm gonna teach you how to make the nigiri. All you need is a a tuna can. You know, this is empty tuna can, and this is a lid from if you ever have like cats or dogs, right? This is from the lid of a cat, a cat can. You know those wet cat food? There's a lid. You open up the lid and you keep it. You keep this lid, okay? And this can be the mold. See, here's the tuna can, and you put the lid inside here, right? You put it inside here. This becomes a lid. And what you do is this. Hold on. Also need a sheet of seaweed here. Okay. What you do is this. You put a little water on this lid, okay? Sprinkle a little water on this lid, and then you put rice. Hold on. You put, you put some rice, right? Well, you do have to buy a rice cooker, you know. And when the rice is cold, see, you fill this this tuna can with rice, right? And then you press a little hole right here with your finger. And now you can put I put a little bit of tuna. Okay, this is tuna. I put a little bit of tuna on here. I fill this hole with a little bit of tuna, right? And here's some vinegar. I just pour some vinegar. And then oh shit. I put some I put some jalapeno pepper on here. I like jalapeno pepper. And now what I do is here's what it looked like, right? And what I do is this. Here's the tab. Here's the tab. Here is the tab, right? And what I do is this. I put the seaweed, okay? Here's the seaweed. This is half size. This is like half sheet of the seaweed. And I just flip it over. I could feel the tab. There's a tab right here. See, I felt the tab. I use my thumb. I press on the tab, right? I press on the tab. And then I open it up. See, here's on tab is like on top. You see? Then I remove the tab, and there you go. And then I cover it up. I cover up the nigiri, right? See, with my hands, I cover up. There you go. Nigiri is made. It's that simple. Yeah, that's it. So all you need is just a tuna can and one of the this tab that you can buy. You could just buy. It's from a cat food, right? Anyway, that's all I want to say for this episode. Thanks for watching.